Let's go earn some money.
Tethered?
Think so?
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You find...
Tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. If we handle this right, nobody needs...
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, come! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
What's going on here? What's going on?
Nothing good. I need to get up there. Finish up here. Join us on board.
Hey, go on! Get on there! Faster. All yours, Captain. Well, go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm before you get shot.
I don't want
Go! Everything you got. Money, valuable. There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
Come on!
I ain't got nothing. Want to have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
What's the problem here?
Stop it, for pity's sake!
Deal with these two, will you, Mr. M?
Please! Oh, please, please!
Come on! In the bag, everything you got. Keep it coming, don't be shy.
People like you make me sick!
These two seem to think we're playing games.
I am...
Damn it. Sick is better than dead, lady. I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says, so this can be the gentleman. This is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
Stop!
I beg of you.
You boys need me?
No, you
Tough
go
guy.
ahead and look for the baggage
Sure
car.
about that? Yeah, we just fell
You
away.
sure
This
about
son of a
wasting our
bitch,
time,
we ain't
huh?
playing around here.
Quick, come on! Come on, partner. Come on, quick!
Everything you got. Money, valuables. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend.
Money, nothing else. Make me hurt you. Don't make me hurt you.
For pity's sake!
We're on the clock.
No, please! Don't help me! I'll do anything!
Come on, cup it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's go. I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Okay.
What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
For fuck's sake! I'm sorry. Come on, get up, you little Irish shit. Get up! Need some help here, boy? I'll miss you, brother. This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
Try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
I
Gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
Arthur, we've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only two of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Eh? There's a few more of them turning up.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
We won't tell you again.
Look out on the left. Here comes our friends.
More coming through the...
Oh, great. We won't tell you again. Come out now with your hands up. There, I rode on the side.
Shit, we got more on the left.
More coming through the trees, you see them?
That's how you want to do it, bastard.
Get rid of them, quick, so we can make a run for it.
Behind us! We got more! Come on, boys! Let's get the hell out of here! That's enough creeping around. Let's go, Arthur! Come on!
Let's go. Stay with me. Yeah. Whoa!
Whoa! That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
Yeah.
We still need a real big take, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine, see if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.